DD Frontline Hammock. This time straps start fairly high because I can always come down. On my hammock now, fitted, is these, can't remember what they're called. Can't remember, I'll look it up, put it on screen. Anyway. They hook on there. I want to go around twice on that. Let's try that again. Right. And then in theory, what we do, take a walk with our hammock to the next spot. And then what you do to adjust it, you just pull it. And the same on the other end. That could do a bit lower. Height-wise, I think we're good. Plenty of adjustment if I need it. That's a little better. Let's just see how that looks then when we get in. That'd be fine. Once I sort that out, that'd be fine. Next, DD Hammock's Underblanket. So I think, really should look this up. That's better. Those are now attached. And then, we've got a drawstring. There, there, there. I think that's better. Right, let's sit and see if we can get in it. That seems to be about right. You could definitely do with being tighter, couldn't they? But that's all right. Right, what time we got? 3:15. Had a little bit of a lay in the hammock. I think I'm getting the hang of that now. Sort of. But I think it's time to get some coffee going. Just using a toast pot. And then I just brought a really cheap stove. Don't even know who makes it. No idea, doesn't matter. And I did bring a little twig stove. Look, I'll clean my cup, look. Yeah, I did bring a twig stove with me, but I think it's all just too dry. I've got these. These are Vietnamese cappuccinos. I know somebody that like those. Wild About Wales, if you ever watch this. TK Maxx, these were. Gotta say, that heat's drained it out of me. Pretty tired. Whew. Time is 4:20. Yeah. try and get a weather update again, I think. See where we are. Not bad. Bloody midges still getting these things. A nice little nap in the hammock. What I'm going to do now, I'm going to put the tarp up. I wasn't going to. I probably don't really need to. Not for rain, but I'm a little concerned. Ooh, they've already got lines on. Oh God, it's got a big picture on it. Okay. And yes, I know I've got a ridge line, shouldn't really need to worry about it too much. I put the tarp up, not necessarily because I thought I need it, but I did bring it. And if we do get a passing shower, it should help. Bugs are doing my head in, even with the flex towel going. It's still quite buggy. Anyway, tent 6. Probably worth getting some food on. I didn't realise one side of this, well, both of the wings of this tarp have got a big owl on them. Could have done without that. Hey ho. Nothing too serious though. Got a new 5 litre fully waterproof bag, which I figured is really useful for putting all my electronics in at night. So in theory, I can put my phone and glasses and fire tablet in there and then hang it on the tree behind me. So let's see what we've got. I've got 2 meals with me tonight, just in case. I've got a real Termat chicken curry, which I haven't had before, but I do like real Termat stuff. And I've got an Adventure Foods goulash. I think I might go with the goulash. Let's have a look. Well, it doesn't smell of anything, you can't see anything. In theory, it's beef, potatoes, goulashy sauce. In theory. Slight issue. Now that I've put the tarp up, it's really dark under here. That's fine. Just so I can see what I'm pouring. Looks like big chunks of wood in here. Not used to having a silicone pack. Idiot. Ow, God, that's hot. What's that supposed to be? Mushroom, maybe? Certainly don't need to be cuddling that today. mean, it's pretty much just stodge. It's similar to the real Termat beef and potato in that it's got pretty much no taste at all. A very slight hint of maybe garlicky things, what else maybe, but it's pretty much just stodge. I think this one appears on the Mick Dundee scale of food. If you know, you know. In fact, I've burnt a couple of thousand calories doing the walk today in the heat. I've got to eat something. I don't know whose goulash recipe this is, but it ain't goulash. God, this is boring, this is. I won't put you through it. Can't do it. It's just not for me. It's largely tasteless, except for when it's not, which is when the pepper arrives. I had maybe a third of that. Oh well. How very disappointing. But, you know, now I know. I'll bother with adventure foods again. They are the cheap end of the market, so even the real Termat beef and potato had a little bit of taste to it and was edible. That not so much. I'll fire off, we're getting ready to get into bed. Got the ice lane quilt. I do have a spare duck down sleeping bag, I think I mentioned earlier. Don't think I'm going to need that tonight, it's boiling. I don't know what temperature is, probably still in the 18, 19 degrees. And it's just gone 6:30. Yeah, a bit of a disappointment with that meal, but things like that happen. Half the reason I bought one was to see if it was any good. Now I've got 2 more real Termat meals. What else have I got? Oh, I've got a fire pot, chocolate pudding, and then my other daughter, the one down south, has just got me some Wayfarer meals. So I think there's a chocolate pudding in there as well. Beans and sausages, chili con carne. Was there another one? I can't remember. For Father's Day that was. So I'm well stocked up. I just know not to, well, for me, adventure food's not so good. For you, maybe. I was hoping for that Hungarian goulash type flavour. Paprika and lumps of beef and potato. Didn't find any beef, didn't find any potato, found lots of peas. Something that I think was probably mushroom once. And something else that tasted a bit like wood bark. Might have been onion. Didn't taste anything at all. Anyway, just how it goes. So I've pushed everything pretty much under the tarp now. Under the bag is under the tarpish, pretty much. I'm just going to sit here. I'm going to have my hot chocolate. I'm going to get myself comfy. and might watch a film. Watched Rampage last time, not sure what to watch this time. G.I. Joe maybe? Decided to watch John Carter in the end. Haven't quite finished it yet, but quite fancy maybe a cup of tea. Bright, isn't it? Right, let's have a cup of tea. I still haven't got the hang of hammock camping yet. I think I've got it too high. Not off the ground high, but too high on the straps. The angle's wrong. Get there. Might take me the rest of the summer, if we ever get any more summer. I'm sure it'll be comfortable enough. I had a lot of voices earlier, but I couldn't see where they came from. Still, no one bugging me. Well, that's cool. So, I'm going to have this cup of tea, and then I'm going to finish my film, and then I'll probably crash. The temperature's dropping slightly now, so I don't think it's going to be too warm, but I think I will put my down jacket on just in case. It's 10:15 now. I had a visit from somebody on a motorbike. He just hung around for about 10 minutes. Didn't come over. I'm not even sure he saw me, but anyway, getting ready for bed. Starting to put stuff away. I'll bring you back if anything happens overnight. Doubt it. If not, see you in the morning. Well, it's 10:30. Not a bad sleep, but not great. Lots of wiggling. Still haven't figured out this hammock at all. Oh well, I'll get it dialed. There we are. A bit more awake. Not really. Oh. It's warming up already. I think I'll wake up at 8:15 and then just decided to just lay there and doze a bit more. I did get some sleep. It wasn't great sleep, but I'd got some. Oh, that's right. That's what woke me up. So, I hadn't actually charged my sat connection thing, emergency beacon thingy, so it was only on like 50%. I think made a racket last night. Well, this morning rather. As it ran out of battery, maybe. My phone ran out of battery. That's what it was. Right, sort that out. Let's get a sleeping bag away. It's sort of in the way here. Sleeping bag quilt. Ice foam quilt. This ice foam quilt is great for summer. It's just warm enough. As in, it's plenty. It's not as big as a ZenBivvy. It's not as comfy as a ZenBivvy. But for this, for a hammock, it's perfect. Good size. Didn't need to use the duck down bag either. Would have been way too much overkill. I was actually quite warm last night. I did put my down jacket on at about 1 o'clock in the morning. Get some coffee. DD Underblanket, much better than the awful gear top one. Much better. Actually stayed pretty close to the hammock, so traps over there underneath it. And when you moved it, so I reached out and moved it, repositioned it once, and you could feel the air coming out of it. And it was cold for a few minutes, for a minute, until it reheated. So definitely better, definitely a good investment, that one. Coffee. I tell you what, that tea was nice last night. Good enough, even without the milk. Hammocks have got a strange thing about them, because they're your bed and your seat. Every time you get in it and you're sitting, you think, oh, I could just have a lay down. So you go and lay down, and then you have another nap. Lovely. I need to do a lot more practice for this. I think I've got the connecting ropes way too high in the tree is the problem. So the new straps work brilliantly. They were definitely worth getting. I think they were about 20 quid from DD. Definitely worth it. And obviously the underquilt, definitely worth it. I don't say I'm converted to hammock camping yet. The idea was that it would be a lightweight way to come camping. It's not lightweight at all. If anything, I'm carrying more weight hammock camping than I am tent camping. But hey ho. I'll start packing away shortly. But before I do that, I realised I hadn't actually shown you a shot of the tent, a sort of shot of the hammock all set up. So I'll do that as well. Like at a distance, right? I think with this tarp, it is actually, because it moves a bit in the wind, I think it's quite visible from the trackway. So, right, there we are, all packed away. As usual, leave no trace, people. You walked it in, you walk it out. Right. Can be a warm walk home, I think. Let's get out of this bit first. Right, here we go. Definitely more cloudy today. Still lovely though. I was quite surprised how much activity this area got. You know, ATVs, I understand. Motorbike even. Quite a few people, quite a few dogs. A couple of cars, a couple of trucks. Popular. Anyway, you don't need to see me walking home. I'll bring you back later. Well, I'm pretty much back to the main road now. Nothing more to see. Been a nice relaxing camp. If you watched this far, thank you very much. If you haven't subscribed already, please do. I'm only about 10 short of the 500 mark now. Be lovely to go over that. If you want to be notified when I release a new video, you click the alert thing. But subscribing means that I appear on your home feed. Click a like if you can. Do the hype thing. I think I've done it once for someone. Not many people are using that, but it'd be good to try it out. I think it only works on mobile. Oh well. If you've got any comments, stick them below. Don't matter what it is, as long as you're nice about it. And I will put some more videos on the screen here. I've seen people do that. Try it. And catch you next time.